Earning KAVA staking rewards is easy. In this video, we're gonna learn how to stake KAVA in a few taps and how you can auto-stake your rewards to compound your earnings. Install your own Exodus wallet and click the link in the top right to download, or visit exodus.com. If you don't already have KAVA, you can hit the receive button to view your KAVA address and send KAVA to your Exodus wallet from another wallet or exchange. You can also swap other cryptos for KAVA using the swap feature and have it delivered straight to your wallet. Okay, let's get started and stake KAVA on mobile or your computer. The steps are pretty much the same. In the mobile app, tap the profile icon, then tap the staking tile and select KAVA. Tap the stake button and enter the amount you want to stake. Tap stake KAVA, and that's it. On the desktop app, click on the rewards icon at the top of the app. Select KAVA, enter the amount you want to stake, tap stake KAVA, and that's it. If you want to increase your rewards, toggle on auto-restaking. With auto-restaking, your wallet will automatically add KAVA rewards to your staked balance to compound the interest and increase your APY. If you'd rather keep auto-restaking off, you can manually claim your KAVA staking rewards when you're ready by tapping Claim Reward. Your wallet will also claim your KAVA rewards anytime you stake or unstake. Whatever amount you stake is gonna be locked. You can only perform transactions like sending and swapping with an unstaked amount. To unlock your KAVA, hit the Unstake KAVA button, enter the amount, and tap Unstake KAVA. After the 21-day unstaking period, you'll be able to send and swap your KAVA. If this video helped, you can support the channel by giving this video a like and clicking any of these videos to watch more from Exodus.